In this video, I will show you how to navigate from our Canvas site onto the tool MyLab. Uh, as I mentioned before, you will access all of your assessments, your reading checks, quizzes, the homework assignments, and your exams via the modules. So that's already been uh, shown in a different video. What I'm showing you now is how you can access still the same assessments. If you want to do it this way, you can do it that way. Not only the assessments, but also other features within the MyLab tool. And to do that, you instead of going to the modules, you should go to MyLab and Mastering link, the same one you used to register into MyLab. And when you go to this link, you will see this page with your student links right beneath. You won't be able to see the instructional links. This is for me. So when you go here, you click on My Accounting Lab course home. That will take you to the course or the section in My Accounting Lab that belongs to our class, the one you registered for previously. And so you're now here, and it shows you the home page for MyLab. And normally, I don't really pay too much attention to the course home. It just reflects whatever is coming along in the timeline of the assignments. What I think is more important for you is going to be some of these links on the left side. Assignments is where you find the same assignments that you're going to be able to access through the modules. So as you can see, the ones that are currently activated are also shown in here. If there was an exam, it will also be shown here. So as you progress in the modules, you will see that other assessments, other reading checks for chapters later in the course will be activated. But again, you can access those assessments via the modules, or you can do it directly this way in the tool, directly in assignments. Let me go back to the home page. So that's the assignments. That's where you come for if you want to access the deliverables outside of the modules. Now, the study plan is another feature that I don't follow that much, but it's for you individually to come here and use it. It gives you practice for the various chapters and also quizzes from the various chapters that we cover in this class. As you can see, they're all here. Now this comes automatically with your tool. I don't set this up, it comes with it. So as you do these practice items here in MyLab, the study plan is updated and it gives you different types of further assessments. That's beyond what's given in the assignments here. Now, the ones in here in the assignments, the ones that are also accessible through the modules, they are graded. They are part of your grade. The ones in the study plan are just practice and they are not graded at all. I don't even look at them, FYI. Results. Now, at the moment, if I hit on this results, there's nothing there because I haven't. Oh, I did take a test. I tested the homework 10, the reading check 10. So I have them here. Every time you take any of the assessments, if you want to come back and review them, review how you did, and maybe right after you submit, or it will be several days after. It doesn't matter. Either way, they're all here, so you can always come back and review how you did in each of these items. Pearson eText, that's where you go to access your ebook, and it will be right there. So if I click on that, it will bring up the ebook, which has several features that are kind of nice for you to use. Not only do you have the obvious pages of the textbook that you bought for this class, but also you get to do bookmarks, and you get to make notes, highlight. You can search. You have different features you can actually end up using and making your reading much easier. Let me go back to my Pearson MyLab navigation panel, and there are other things you might want to use here. There's nothing, you don't need to worry about document sharing or communication tools. That doesn't really come into play at all. Smart thinking is another tool, and at the moment I think we don't use it, but you could test it out to see if there's anything there that is helpful. But I think in this case they might actually want to charge you a little more money if you want to use that tool. I think it's something to do with tutoring, but at the moment I don't know much about it. It's kind of new. The one area that I think is very useful for you to use is the multimedia library. Here you will see that you can actually come into any of the chapters we'll be covering. Let's say partnerships, and select all to see what's there, and you see there's tons of different resources. Actually, there's less here in this chapter than in others, but the main ones that I want you to look at are the PowerPoint slides and all the videos that are here. There's also a demo doc right there that's actually quite useful. If you review my modules, you will see that I already transferred these chapter PowerPoint slides and also the lecture videos and integrated them into my modules. So it is the same video, but if you want to just come here directly, you can do that as well. And notice that if you're in the modules and you looking at these videos, you need to be logged into Canvas or into MyLab directly outside of Canvas for the video to work. Let's see. Aside from that, you have other things in here that are kind of sort of redundant. These are the same things that we're looking at. Some of the demo docs and the and other things that come in the library are part of this. So there's not much value in that, and that's basically it. Hopefully that will be helpful in you approaching the class in an effective way. Have fun. Take care. Bye-bye.